Hello students, today just the remaining part of the questions of exercise 3.4 from NCERT book of class 10th is demonstrating for the solution before you. In this context, the question number 2 tells form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. You have known about the elimination method in the just previous question, but here is the statement that is called word problem. So word can be converted into algebraic sums and then you have to solve. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, this is the question of the part, and one fraction reduces to 1. मतलब अगर किसी न्यूमरेटर में 1 प्लस करते हैं और 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में, तो वह जो फ्रैक्शन है 1 हो जाता है और 1/2 वही फ्रैक्शन हो जाता है जब उसके डिनोमिनेटर को सिर्फ 1 प्लस करते हैं. सो लेट ओके सपोज न्यूमरेटर and denominator be x and y, then required fraction x by y. According to question, case first, x plus 1 y minus 1, यानी 1 added to numerator, 1 subtract from the denominator, it reduces to 1. On simplifying, x plus 1 equal to y minus 1, so x minus y equal to minus 1 minus 1, x minus y equal to minus 2. Again case second, if one subtract from only denominator, that 1 add to the denominator, only 1 add to the denominator, it becomes 1/2. So 2x here cross multiplication y plus 1, so the second equation is 2x minus y equal to 1. So only subtracting y cancel, subtracting equation 2 from equation first you write above x minus y equal to minus 2, 2x minus y equal to 1, minus plus minus, so cancel, minus x equal to minus 3, x equal to 3. This value is putting x equal to 3 in equation first. You see equation first, x minus y equal to minus 2, that means 3 minus y minus 2, minus y equal to minus 2 minus 3, minus y equal to minus 5, so y equal to 5. So numerator equal to 3, denominator equal to 5, hence required fraction is equal to 3/5. So students, question number 1 completed. Students, now just question number 2 जो कहता है 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले, नूरी was thrice as old as सोनू, 3 गुना. 10 years later, बाद में, नूरी will be twice, नूरी 2 गुनी, as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? First, we consider let Nuri and Sonu present age be X years and Y years. According to question, case first, okay, X minus 5 thrice Y minus 5. X minus 5 equal to 3Y minus 15. X minus 3Y equal to 5 minus 15. X minus 3Y equal to minus 10. Again, according to question, X plus 10, 10 years later, twice Y plus 10. So X plus 10 equal to 2Y plus 20. X minus 2Y, 20 minus 10, X minus 2Y equal to 10. Now here see X with the same sign and same coefficient, so we subtracting equation 2 from equation first. X minus 3Y minus 10 and X minus 2Y equal to 10 minus plus minus, this cancel, minus Y minus 20, so Y equal to 20. Now putting the value of Y in equation first. Here first X minus 3Y, 3 into 20 is equal to minus 10. So X minus 60 equal to minus 10. X equal to 60 minus 10. X equal to 50. Hence, present age of Nuri 50 years. Present age of Sonu 20 years. So students, I have completed question number second solution. Students, now question number 3, you understand the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. So the number of two digits formed by unit and tens digit. As you know, 12. This is tens digit. This is unit digit. Okay, 12. This is tens digit, unit digit. That means 1 into 10 plus 2, it is the expanded form. In this way, let unit and tens digit be Y and X. Then required number equals to 10x plus y. On reversing digits, that means 21, 2 into 10 plus 1. Similarly, on reversing the digits, two-digit number equal to 10y plus x. Now according to question, case first, Sum of digits, that means x plus y equal to 9. And case second, twice the number, that means twice the number 10x plus y is equal to 9 times, or 9 times this number is twice the number obtained on reversing the digits. This one. So here 90x plus 9y equal to 20y plus 2x. 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equal to 0. 88, 90 minus 2, 88x minus 11y equal to 0, and common 11, 8x minus y equal to 0. So 8x minus y equal to 0 is the equation second. Now here you see y, only adding equation 1 and 2. Here x plus y 9 and 8x minus y equal to 0. 9x equal to 9, x equal to 9 by 9, 1. Putting the value of x in equation 1, you see 1 plus y equal to 9, so y equal to 9 minus 1 equal to 8. So ones digit, that means unit digit. What is unit digit? Unit digit y, that means 8. And tens digit, that is tens digit x, that means 1. So required number is equal to unit digit and tens digit, 1, 8, that means it is the number 18 is the required number, and the solution completed. Students, see question number 4. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So it is given total number of notes 25. How many 50 rupees note and 100? So let number of rupees 50 notes be x and number of rupees 100 notes by y. According to question, x plus y, total notes है 25 and 50x यानी 50 rupees x notes, 100 rupees y notes, total rupees 2000. So on dividing by 50 all, x plus 2y equal to 50, 8 ja 80. Okay, 54 ja, not 80, 54 ja 40. Now subtracting these two, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, x plus y equal to 25, x plus 2y equal to 40, minus y minus 15, y equal to 15. Now putting the value of y, in equation first. Here first x plus y 25, but y equal to 15. So x plus 15 equal to 25. X equal to 25 minus 15. X equal to 10. Hence, number of x means 50 rupees note. Number of rupees 50 notes equal to x यानी 10, and the number of rupees 100 notes is equal to y यानी 15. So here question number question number 4th of second completed. Students, एक्सरसाइज 3.4 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के लिए ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. कहता है कि ए लेंडिंग लाइब्रेरी हैज़ ए फिक्स्ड चार्ज फॉर द फर्स्ट 3 days and an additional charge for each day. Thereafter, Saritha paid rupees 27 for a book for 7 days. That means 4 extra days. And Sushi paid rupees 21. She kept for 5 days. That means 2 extra days. Okay. So we have to find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra days. So here solution started. Let fixed charge be RSX and charge for each extra day be rupees y. According to question, case first कहता है कितने डेज है 7 days. That means 3 days x plus extra 4 days is equal to 27. Again case second for 5 days. That means for 3 days x and for 5 days, that means 2 extra days, 21. Now xx, so subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Here x plus 4y and here 2y, sorry. So x plus 4y equal to 27 and x plus 2y equal to 21. 4 minus 2, 2y equal to 6. So y equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Now this value of y is putting in any of the equation. Putting the value of y in equation first. That means x plus, you see, x plus 2 into 3. X plus 2 into 3 is equal to x plus 2 into 3 in equation 2 is equal to 21. So x plus 6, 21. Here is equation second. Putting the value in equation second, x equal to 21 minus 6, x equal to 15. Okay. Hence, fixed charge. Hence, fixed charge is equal to x. That means rupees 15, and charge for each extra day is equal to rupees y, that means 3. So students, I have just completed the question number 2 of exercise 3.4 and just I have finished this. Hope you are interested to see these questions and then you write in comment box. Till then, thanks for watching.